Hi, I'm Emmanuel and I'm so excited to have you here. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step how you can create an account on Femlify and set up your school. Let's get started. So first, you need to come to this registration page. Select your country, enter your name. Then proceed and enter your phone number. Then the next is to enter your email. Then choose a secure password. So once this is created, you will receive a verification code in your email. So you need to check your email to get this code. So I've gotten the code and let's use it. So my email is verified. So let's move to the next step. The next step is to create your school. You can select your school type here. Right now, only one school type is active. Others will be available very soon. So once that is done, you enter your school name. So for this purpose, I'm going to use a generic school. Right now, we need to give your portal a brand identity. And you can choose your desired colors. For the primary color, this should be the color that is more prominent in your branding. So for this purpose, I'm going to choose red. Then for the secondary color, I'm going to choose yellow. Then I can click next. This is the domain that you will use to access your school portal before you can customize your custom domain. So let's add one. So it will check if the domain is available. So let's click next. Then you need to add your first administrator email. So this will create a staff in your school and this person will be able to manage the school on your behalf. So I've added one. Let's click next. Now you can review what you have done so far and you can go back and adjust if there is anything you want to change. So right now we can click on create school. So once you click on create school, the system will start creating your school. So right now the school is ready, then we can go to dashboard. So because Femlify is very flexible, you can continue the onboarding process at any time you wish. You don't have to complete it all at once, but you can always come back and you can continue managing your school